Good morning, everybody. Jim King with King Piers out here in Lee Summit. Lee Summit is our hot spot. I know one of our big competitors are out here, but we're piering houses just a mile away from their building. It's a wonderful feeling. We've taken over the Midwest as far as our piers go. No other piering system can even come close to it. All the piers we've put in are all holding up, from the very first one to the very last one. This project here is a previous job. On the east side, we did the King Piers 4-step wall straightening process about 5, 6, 7 years ago. And the owner, Mike, great guy, Fort Osage Indian, good friend of mine. This wall here has got a little bit of lateral movement to it, not very much. So we're not going to go straight in the wall. We're just going to come in here with 4 4-inch steel H-beams. We'll put a couple in this side and a couple over here on this side and call it good. That will keep the wall from leaning further in the future. It'll stay where it's at. So stay with me. King Piers, it's a nasty, snowy day. I thought spring was here until I woke up this morning and seen snow everywhere, so I'm blessed to have an inside job. Thank you, Mike Chick, for letting us in your basement this morning. If not, we'd be sitting at home. So for all your foundation repair needs, stay with me on this project. We'll probably have this done today or first thing in the morning. So 816-521-8915, or you can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you. Stay warm.